Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by validating prerequisites. Check Home Assistant version and free disk space so backups don't fail. Once confirmed, enable SSH or Samba and create a secure account for exports. This lets you copy files safely. Next, install or open the Supervisor Snapshot tool and choose a full snapshot. This captures configs, add-ons, and states. Do this now so you have a baseline. Make sure to name the snapshot with date and a short note for clarity. Once the snapshot tool runs, choose full or partial based on your needs. Full saves everything while partial targets specific integrations. Start the snapshot and watch progress. If an add-on reports an error, pause and note which one so you can retry. After completion, export the generated tar file to your local machine or push it to remote storage via SFTP or a cloud integration. This creates an off-device copy. Make sure transfer completes before deleting local copies to avoid data loss. You need to verify that backups actually restore. Test a snapshot on a spare system or VM so you can be confident in recovery. Once verified, automate periodic snapshots and remote uploads and set retention rules to avoid filling storage. If a restore fails, don't panic. Check Home Assistant and add-on logs, confirm sufficient disk space, and ensure the backup matches your current version. Sometimes restoring to a different version causes conflicts. Finally, keep at least 2 recent off-site copies for resilience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.